Who would have ever thought that we are being excited about the flip phone again? But here we are, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has come a long way from the small flip phone of a decade past. It's sleek, portable, and yes, you can finally put it in your front pocket jeans and make a satisfying snap sound when you fold it. Although we know that Samsung claims the latest release will be 80% more durable, but it's best to put the protective case on it. So I have already made two different videos regarding the best third-party case and the best Samsung case for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 devices. But today's videos is a little bit different, in which I will provide you top 5 best list of the cases that are going to be available for the Z Flip 3, both from Samsung and from the third party. So let's begin the video. So guys, the number one in the list is going to be the VRS Design Quick Stand Case. This rugged case will be available for $30 and will prop your phone up without having to hold it up yourself or fold it in a half. It could come in handy when you need to attend a video call or simply want to watch a movie or presentation on the go. VRS even took the mechanical hinges into account, integrating a protective into case at the part of the phone that could be most valuable to damage. The case is available in three industrial looking colors of matte black, green or dark silver. Moving on towards the second case, we have the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G silicone cover case with a strap. This silicone cover straps your hand into phone case for maximum security. Strapping in may sound odd, but some phone users maybe appreciate having a phone support around their head thanks to a nifty and a stylish wide strap. Samsung designed a bold logo that reads Flip across the strap in a bright color. People who love labels will appreciate this fashionable design. It's currently available at a price of $40 in black and white color option. The silicone case will grip the phone nicely and act as a decent shock absorber. However, the silicone case to be sticky, collecting lint or even getting stuck in the pocket due to the material grip. Regardless, you might get used to the strap design and never want to go back to the basic phone cover again. Next in the list is the Spongy Air Skin Clear Case. The Z Flip 3 comes in some stunning colors, making it a crime to hide it behind a bulky case. You almost forget you have a case on the Z Flip when you choose the Spongy Air Skin for 25 bucks. It's made of a light crystal clear polycarbonate material that fits snug to prevent your phone from getting scratched, while providing some shock absorption should you drop it. One of the issues with the clear case is how it discloses over time. Spongy claims that the polycarbonate clarity remains as clear as the original over time and between the case clarity and the low profile fit. You won't have to worry about the case detracting from Samsung's brilliant phone design. The fourth case in the list is the Spongy Tough Armor Case. Spongy is well known for creating quality cases for Samsung Galaxy line, and a Tough Armor case may provide the most protection. You will find that most of the cases for this style of phone come in two pieces with no cover or protection for the middle hinge. Spongy Tough Armor case hasn't forgotten about the overlooked section. Yes, you can find the Tough Armor case for a 36 bucks, but the case is constructed with a foam tech that has cushioning shock resistance without too much bulk. Besides drop protection, the polycarbonate and the TPU material protect the Z Flip 3 from scratches. So guys, the last case in the list is the Galaxy Z Flip 3 leather case. The leather cover for the Z Flip 3 are of course the most expensive of the bunch and come in three different colors: mustard, green and black. They are manufactured from the real caliph leather and are more of the thin side of the spectrum, so they won't add much to bulk for your Z Flip 3. It also has a soft material on inside, giving it a more premium feel. And it's going to be expensive from all those cases that has been launched. So guys, these are one of the best cases which I think are going to be best for your Galaxy Z Flip 3. Anyhow, I have put all the cases links in the description. You can check them out. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.